In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change label colors in Trello. Labels help you visually organize work at a glance, whether you use them to show priority, status, or category. Adjusting their colors can make your board easier to scan and keep your team on the same page. Here's how to do it smoothly. First, sign in to Trello. Open your browser or the Trello app and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. Next, open the board where you want to update labels. Click the board's tile to enter it. Everything we change will apply only to this board. Now, open the Labels menu. You have two quick options. If you prefer the card view, click any card on the board to open its details. Then look to the right-hand sidebar and select Labels. If you like shortcuts, you can skip opening the card. Simply hover your mouse over any card on the board and press the L key. That instantly brings up the label menu for that card. In the Labels pop-up, find the specific label you want to modify. You'll see a small pencil icon to the right of each label. Click that pencil to edit. This tells Trello you're changing the appearance of the existing label rather than adding a new one. Choose a new color from the palette that appears. Pick something that clearly communicates meaning for your workflow. If you want more variety, click. Create a new label to reveal additional shades and options. You can browse those colors to find a closer match to your system, even if you plan to keep using your current label set. When you're happy with the selection, click Save. Trello immediately applies the new color to that label across the entire board, updating every card where that label is used. This saves time and keeps things consistent, especially on boards with many cards. A few quick tips as you finalize your choice. Aim for high contrast, so labels stand out on card covers and backgrounds. Keep a simple color legend your team recognizes. And consider accessibility by avoiding combinations that are hard to distinguish. That's it. Log in, open your board, bring up the Labels menu, edit with the pencil, choose a color, and save. Your Trello board is now clearer at a glance, and your labels are working harder for you.